All right, welcome back to Day Traders. It is a beautiful day today here in PA. Sun is shining, birds are chirping, and I hope you're out there enjoying this beautiful afternoon and what we call life. And getting into today's trade recap, today was a perfect example of a day where the best thing you can do is keep your losses small and protect your capital. Tried my best to come in without a strong bias, but context was tough, and just given from last week, we ground up over 1,000 points. I mean, 1,500. If you look from last week to today, with no relative strong pullback at all, uh, we gapped down 400 points Sunday night into Monday morning, and I wasn't gonna buy at these levels just given the current war news, the blockade of the strait, everything going on. Um, I was looking for shorts, but I did try to change that bias and just ultimately should have taken a long given what the tail of the tape was showing today. But at market open, we didn't really drop much, maybe 30, 40 points, 50 points, and then just started this long grind up all morning. Never really gave a lot back. Again, found myself naturally leaning short, but we never gave that clean breakdown and just a steady climb. On top of that, my signals have been messy this last month with this war. Everything going on with this strait. Everything's been choppy. I have not had the confluence I typically get. It's been tough to spot some of these moves and just have the confidence to go with it. As we see a lot of volatility given the war, the news with the strait. Trump spoke today as well. So that played into everything. And, again, days like this when everything's choppy, you don't have the confluence. It's best to just sit out and sit on your hands rather than force trades and do what I did 2 weeks ago and blow accounts. Last week we lost $300. I barely traded just given how the market was. And today we got out down $25, $27 after three trades. Just didn't like the price action, the chop, etc. I did go long on my first trade today, a retracement into that Bravo SMA 9. But again, we should be going down with this TTM with the chart prime, the oscillator extending into purple. We didn't get that. Again, we didn't have the confluence. I didn't like the price action, the chop, the Mag 7, the VIX and VIXY at the time, and we did grind up. I did make about $30 on this trade. Just was not very happy with it. I was ironically just trying a little scalp. I was going for this break of previous structure. Couple 40, 50, 60 points, nothing crazy. Because I was looking for this short and we did get rejected at this level here as we see. And I tried to go short right here. Did not like the price action and the breakdown given we were purple, should be extending into red. We did go green. Again, no confluence, the Mag 7, the VIX, the VIXY, the higher time frames. Everything was a mess. Lost $9 on that, and you see it was good to get out. We broke down a little bit more, but eventually shot up. Even on red, we were going up. So signals off. I tried one more short at a break of high, just trying to get a scalp into this Bravo SMA 9. Solid 30, 40, 50 points, just in and out. Didn't get it, got stopped out immediately. Had a real short stop, $60. Lost $25 on the day with these three trades, and I wrapped it up. Trump started speaking this afternoon, and again, just given the war news, everything going on with the strait and the blockade, it's tough to buy when you see some of this news, and you have, your mixed signals, no confluence. For that short, I was looking for a breakdown into that New York Open for TP1. I thought we could retest this level, this area, from where we broke down and gapped down yesterday, and I was looking for that retracement even lower into this key level, or really into the Asia high, and that was going to be my TP2. We didn't get that. We just ground up all day, and I'm very happy with how I traded today. We stuck within that systematic, defined, rules-based approach. Didn't like price action, did not get the confluence we had. So rather than stay in trades that are going against me, we got out, kept our losses small, and we move on to tomorrow. And this is exactly what professional traders do. They don't force things. They don't force their way onto the market. They let their market come to them. The more I do that, the more I am managing my risk, limiting my downside, and staying alive for those bigger 100, 150, 200 point moves that we can catch. Again, very great day. This is a win in my book because it keeps me in the game for when the true A plus setup comes, and that's what I need to do, and not try to trade or take these small pieces here or there. Wait for your A plus setups. Less is more, and protect your capital and move on to the next day, the next trade. That being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you handle days when the market doesn't fit your strategy. As always, trade smart, protect your capital, and I'll see you in the next trade recap. Stay up, stay blessed, stay positive. Make it happen.